all, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be dealing with top MCQs on chemical reactions and equations. Here comes the first question. From the following, which one is the example of chemical reaction? The options are given. Option A, grapes get fermented. Option B, breakdown of food. Option C, formation of curd. And option D, all of the above. In all these examples, a chemical change occurs, so it is a chemical reaction. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Second question is, which among the following is or are double displacement reactions? First one, Pb plus CuCl gives PbCl2 plus Cu. Second one, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. Third one, C plus O2 gives CO2. Fourth one, CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. In double displacement reaction, there is exchange of ions. So the answer will be option B, that is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. Question number 3. What type of chemical reactions takes place when electricity is passed through water? When electricity is passed through water, it decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. So it is a decomposition reaction. So the option is C, that is decomposition reaction. Question number 4. Name the products formed when iron filings are heated with dilute hydrochloric acid. Now if you write the equation, it becomes iron reacts with hydrochloric acid to give iron 3 chloride and hydrogen gas. So the answer will be option D, that is Fe3 chloride and hydrogen gas. Question number 5. The image shows a reaction between zinc and hydrogen. Which option shows oxidation? Now, oxidation means its addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or loss of electrons. Here, Zn loses 2 electrons to become Zn2+. So the answer will be option A. Zn gives Zn2+. Question number 6. A researcher adds barium chloride to hydrochloric acid to form a white colored barium chloride. Which option gives the balanced chemical equation of the reaction? We know that barium hydroxide is BaH twice and hydrochloric acid is HCl. So what will be the balanced equation? Answer will be option B, that is 2HCl plus BaH twice gives BaCl2 plus 2H2O. Next is question number 7. An element X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown and a new compound Y is formed. The substance X and Y are. If you take an example of an element that is Fe, that is iron, reacts with moist air, what happens? Rust is formed, that is Fe2O3 is formed. Here X is iron, that is Fe. The new compound Y is Fe2O3, which is reddish brown color. So the answer will be option A, that is X equals Fe and Y equals Fe2O3. Question number 8. On immersing an iron nail in copper sulphate solution for few minutes, you will observe. Option A, no reaction takes place. Option B, the color of solution fades away. Option C, the surface of iron nails acquire a black coating. Option D, the color of solution changes to green. The answer will be option D, the color of solution changes to green. Question number 9. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, what happens? The options are option A, calcium hydroxide is formed. Option B, white precipitate of calcium oxide is formed. Option C, lime water turns milky. And option D, color of lime water disappears. Now if you write the equation, it becomes calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus water. Here, lime water turns milky due to the formation of white precipitate of calcium carbonate. So the answer will be option C, lime water turns milky. Question number 10. Chemically rust is option A, hydrated ferrous oxide, option B, only ferric oxide, option C, hydrated ferric oxide, and option D, none of these. So the answer is option C, hydrated ferric oxide. Question number 11. Which of the following gases is used in the storage of fat and oil containing foods for a long time? Options are option A, carbon dioxide gas, option B, nitrogen gas, option C, oxygen gas, and option D, neon gas. The answer is option B, that is nitrogen gas. Question number 12. A student performs an experiment to form aluminium chloride from aluminium and chlorine. Which options gave the chemical equation of the reaction? The answer is option C, that is 2Al plus 3Cl2 gives 2AlCl3. Question number 13. Which among the following statements is or are true? Exposure of silver chloride to sunlight for a long duration turns grey due to A. The formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride, B. Sublimation of silver chloride, C. Decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride, and D. Oxidation of silver chloride. We have to find which statement is true here. So the first one is the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride. When silver chloride is exposed to light, it decomposes to form silver metal and chlorine gas. And the silver metal turns grey in color when exposed to sunlight for a long duration. The first statement is correct here. So the answer will be option A. Question number 14. Which of the given products is formed when calcium oxide reacts with water? The options are option A, slaked lime, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, calcium oxide, and option D, oxygen gas. Let's write the chemical equation. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and is chemically known as slaked lime. So the answer is option A, that is slaked lime. Question number 15. It is necessary to balance a chemical equation in order to satisfy the law of. Options are given. Option A, conservation of motion. Option B, conservation of momentum. Option C, conservation of energy. And option D, conservation of mass. So the answer will be option D, conservation of mass. Question number 16. When ferrous sulphate is heated strongly, it undergoes decomposition to form ferric oxide as a main product, accompanied by a change in color from option A, blue to green, option B, green to blue, option C, green to brown, and option D, green to yellow. Let's write the equation. Ferrous sulphate, it's heated strongly. It forms ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, and also sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. The ferrous sulphate changes its color from green to brown. So the answer will be option C, green to brown. Now question number 17. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and oils in food marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called. The answer is option C, rancidity. Question number 18. We store silver chloride in a dark colored bottle because it is option A white solid, option B undergoes redox reaction, option C to avoid action by sunlight, and option D none of the above. The answer is option C to avoid action by sunlight. Question number 19. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc taken in a test tube. The following observations are recorded. Point out the correct observation. Option A. The surface of metal becomes shining. Option B. The reaction mixture turns milky. Option C. Odor of a pungent smelling gas is recorded. And option D. A colorless and odorless gas is evolved. Now if you write the equation, zinc reacts with HCl to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Now this evolved hydrogen gas is colorless and odorless. So here the answer is option D, that is a colorless and odorless gas is evolved. Question number 20. Silver article turns black when kept in the open for a few days due to the formation of. The options are option A H2S, option B AgS, option C AgSO4 and option D Ag2S. Silver article reacts with sulfur compounds such as hydrogen sulphide, that is H2S, present in air, and it forms Ag2S, that is silver sulphide. So here the answer is option D, Ag2S. So we have covered all the topics in this chapter. The link will be provided in the description box. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.